YouTube, never fear. Logan J's here, back with another sneaker review. Today we got an unboxing. Pickup is from August. Haven't got to it. Got these through Nike Snkrs app. But these been restocking and really nobody's caring for them right now. When the first part came out, everybody wanted these, very limited. Now they came out with a newer colorway. It's a little, some people like it, some people don't, or just whatever. Let's get into it. You get your Air Jordan 5 Retro DB333 5100. Retails $190 colorway. You got white, ghost green, and purple. You don't know by now, these are the Bel Air. You got your sticker here and stamp. Oh, this one came with a stamp. You have the stamp there. With the date and another sticker here. Right there. The white and green one. Ooh, ooh. And the leather feels good. Oh man. Damn. Look at that. I need to pause really quick because I'm touching the sneaker and I just noticed some permanent marker on there. I'm like, oh, what did I do? But luckily I didn't mess that up. It soaked into my skin. So yeah, YouTube, put that out the way. Here they are. Woo! Look at that, man. Pop. These things, bruh, they did them right, man. And the leather, man. Huh? What? Jordan Brand gave us a good leather on these? Oh my lord. And there's a lot of these? Damn. Yo. You really feel it right here. Damn. Alright, let me stop and do a review. This one comes with the extra set of green laces. I didn't already say that. There you go. And these things are bright. Whew. Oh man. These, got that similar outsole that the fives, which should be releasing next week. Can't wait to try to get those. Hopefully able to get that W on retail. Fire. Those and these we got right here. You got your Jordan here, clear. Now it's got a little hit of blue, but it's very clear. You got your black Jumpman there. You got your ghost green hits here on the outsole. Coming up to the midsole, you got your core purple, a little bit of ghost green peeking through from the outsole up to the midsole. Core purple stitching at the toe cap area there. You got more clear, hit a white there. Then you got this I don't know, it's a pink. It's a pink, and it's got this blue splatter there, effect there, that the Air Jordan 5s are known for. You got your core purple midsole there, same thing, the shark teeth, pink with blue paint splatter there. You got your white air unit here, back, white leather upper, and as I said, it is very soft leather. They did a good job with these. You got your clear netting here, same on the tongue. You got your black laces in there already, black eye stays, plastic black eye stays going alongside the upper there. And this is some good all white leather, and it's a good color too. No, it's just white, but like I don't know, it goes good. It's a great contrast pop to it. Same thing they did with the original one. It was like I say like a nubuck gray upper there, and did a great job with those. I like the material on these leather. I'm wondering if they're gonna keep going with this Bel Air, Fresh Prince of Bel Air, Will Smith collabs that they're doing, because these are basically a Will Smith collab. There's nothing to it. Like, they call them the Bel Airs, but these are Will Smiths. Nobody throws the Will Smith name really. They're the Will Smiths. The heel, you got this ghost green with the blue. Same thing where the 23 is there. It is different on the other pair, and the midsole is blue with the ghost green right here, as you can see the shark teeth there. Same thing in the medial. The heel got a pink and the ghost green. Would have been nice if they added a second set of laces, or third set of laces. The black one's already in there, so this is second, third, and pink. But these will be easy to find anywhere. You just gotta look them up, and somebody will be promoting pink lace. But you know, you want them to match, so but shouldn't be too hard. The insides got that famous print in there. Just sick, that 90s print. Sock liner is black with a white Jumpman. Just, man, they could do this print all on the upper. My God. Whew. I'm thinking they're gonna wait 5-7 years, something like that, and they'll release them again. Probably maybe even 10. You could do the anniversary, you know, 10 years from now, maybe 5 years to keep it like not so far away, but we do it 10 years, 40-year anniversary. Have this as the whole upper, just fire, just whew. But yeah, these give you the grape feel, because you got the purple there, you got your white upper, which is basically the grape 5s. Just added a little bit of black there. You got your black tongue at the upper here with your pink Jumpman. The back has pink Air Jordan here on that black tab there. This pink is bright, and the same thing goes here with this one. You got your ghost green Jumpman at the top, and the back has Air Jordan there, and that ghost green. And but yeah, man, this is a fire sneaker. Just fire. Did a great job. Glad they made a lot more, so a lot more people be able to get them. Hopefully people that want them, got other things come up, prices stay low for a while. A lot of people that are not sneakerheads, they're just wanting to pay retail, you know. So right now's the time. Hopefully you're able to get your pair if you're non-sneakerhead but you like style right here. Whew, man, this is so fire. Glad Jordan Brand made a lot of these. These could have been limited, and people will be paying $300-400 right now for them, right out the jump. These are fire. Glad, you know, they made enough. Hopefully that's not the case with the what the 5s. You know, that's looking like they're not making that many pairs. It's just what it is. But I'm hopeful that there are a lot, and they're just like sitting like the what the 4s last year. Wasn't feeling them. I like them, but it's just one of those pairs that do I really need them? And if I'm saying that to the 5s, yes. To the 4s, not so much, you know. But yeah, I need those 5s. That's what I'm trying to say with that. Yeah, absolutely happy with the purchase. These came out excellent, man. Look at this. Yeah, man. All right, YouTube, it's your boy Logan J, signing out. Peace.